水淹到膝盖，骑脚踏车出门却得扛着车涉水回家。就连飞机也只能在雾蒙蒙中降落，跑道旁马路、汽车全都泡水。美国洛杉矶针对600万人发布洪水警报。
A lot of precipitation in the mountains and also down here closer to the ocean where we all live. Just a strong storm overall for the month of February.
美国西岸这几天出现的强烈风暴，不止带来降雨，更出现罕见暴雪。
Semis that have been here, they have had to spend the night here because they're unable to go back on the I-5s.
连接加州南北5号洲际公路暴雪不断，部分匝道封闭1天，风暴破坏电力，将近10万人停电。南加州更是34年来首次发布暴风雪警告。
I'll tell you, as a native Southern Californian, we are not used to that.
It's been since I was probably, 8 years old, 9 years old. It's been a long time since we've had snow like this.
皮尺一量，积雪15公分深，连好莱坞知名标志旁都降下了皑皑白雪，而且气温异常寒冷。
This is a very cold storm for the Pacific, for California.
Huge deficit that's many years old. We need to still be above normal on precipitation.
原本反圣婴现象应该让美国的冬季陷入干旱，没想到加州降雨却意外的多，恶劣天气导致各地灾情频传。TVBS 新闻做报道。
请支持 TVBS 国际 Plus 全新频道，让您扩大视野，掌握趋势，接轨全世界。恳请订阅，开启小铃铛。